How to swap rows in Excel. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you guys are wondering how to do that, you may follow up these simple steps in order to do so. So first of all, open up your Excel document, and once you open it up, here you will be finding your rows. Right now I have 4 rows provided. So you can head over to the row that you would like to basically go ahead and swap to. Select it. After that, right click on it and look out for cut option, and you should be finding this dotted border around it. Now you can head over and look out for this border, like the 4th row. Let's say I would like to switch it to 4th. Select 4th, look for insert option, and look for insert called cells option. And there you go, your now row has been switched into the row that you wanted to do. So you may follow up the simple steps in order to do so. Otherwise, you may select up the row and try following up this method. You just need to go ahead and select the row, press shift, and you should be finding this arrow icon. Look for the row that you would like to paste it and see if that works. But for now, you may follow up this method in order to do so. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.